everybody, my name is Shirley and this is my SCOR 4060 ST. ST means short travel. I'm sticking to this as my home trails are mostly flowy and fast, and for me, this is the bike to go. Talking about suspension, we have the RockShox Lyric Ultimate in the front with 150mm of suspension. We have the RockShox Super Deluxe Ultimate in the rear with 140mm of suspension. This means we are prepared for everything. To break us down again, I'm running on a Magura MT5 Pro kit with 203mm of rotors in the front, 180mm in the rear, stopping me whenever I want, so nothing to complain about. Off we go, and we stop. Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know when to get to the... I was choosing a fully strapped GX Eagle drivetrain, and to keep those wheels turning, we have Newman hubs in chromatic silver, Newman rims. And the most important, to keep the traction on the trails, I'm running on Maxxis tires. We have the Maxxis Minion PHR2 in the rear with a double down casing to just have a bit more safety in the back. And we have the Maxxis Assegai in the front. Talking about contact points, for the saddle I have the Aragon Acid Women. For the grips I have the Aragon GE1 Evo Factory with an oil slick finish. And for pedals, I'm going for crank rudders. In this case, I mounted the clipless pedals, but I used to change a lot also to flat pedals. It just depends on what I want to ride during the day. Talking about the cockpit, we have a SCOR alloy bar that has a width of 760mm. And to be very special, we have a Daiti copper hat in chromo silver in the middle that is also matching with the hubs and the paddles and some other parts on the bike. I think we're talking about girly stuff now. The last 2 points that I want to mention is the stash box down in the frame to keep your tools handy whenever you need them. And all the bikes come with a slicey frame protector so that you're ready to go. I'm Shirley, this is my SCOR 4060 ST, and hopefully see you on the trail.